We need to buy a theme OceanWP which can be used to import the demo. Enter the address, open the link. Choose sign, enter username, email, set password, confirm password. Then click register. Choose personal and click buy now. Enter the discount code. You can save 25%, bundle 25. Enter the email address, first name, last name. Confirm email address. Fill in your credit card number and other information. Click review order and then pay. Click go to it. Open your mailbox. You will see your username and password. Click login here. Write your email address and copy the password. Change your password. Write your new password. Confirm your password. And save it. Take a look at this. All the download files is there. Enter the WP admin. You will enter your dashboard. For example, this is my information, my website. Log in.